Figured I'd do something different. I'm about to post this on eBay, so I was taking some nice quality pictures. Currently have my phone resting on top of my magnifying glass, my light up magnifying glass. This is a Sargent and Greenleaf 833 padlock. It came from a some kind of naval yard from Florida. That's all I know, really. It might have been on a ship or a gate, and my hands could be contaminated with some kind of chemicals. Who knows? Who knows what this has been around? But I was taking some innards of it, and I was like, fuck it, let's post a video to show what this this behemoth is all about. Me being an auto locksmith, here's a car key. Here's another car key. Alright, here are the keys. Car key, about the same size, right? Let's assemble this padlock. Here is the Medico biaxial cylinder. Notch on the side of the plug face. There's a notch right there. Notice it appears to have some kind of spot for the sidebar. That's weird. Anyway, it fits on like a hat. The lock body. Make sure you know where the one of the ball bearings is. One of the ball bearing detents. You gotta line it up. Push it until it is flush. Alright, it's down there now. Then we take the ball bearing, pinball, game over. Tailpiece goes on one way, that's the top, that's the bottom. Do you see where it goes? Believe me, you never land it the first time. I think I have it flush. May have landed it the first time. Okay, bottom half assembled. Top half, if your padlock doesn't have the retaining pin, simply bend a hanger, whack one edge to taper one side, drive it home, then mash the other side to seal it. But this is not what I've done with this one. This one's factory, or to the best of my knowledge. Maybe some repairman fixed it, but it's a common failure. And if this is gone, your shackle comes out, and that's the only result. And it's an easy fix. Just taper pin it, and you're done. But over here is some kind of, I believe it's a ceramic rod to resist some kind of attack, probably a drilling attack or something. It often breaks or gets lost. No big deal. This is still a beast. Alright. This guy always falls out, this ball bearing. Detent or whatnot. Get it in there. And just, you know, let gravity do it. And I've forgotten to put the control key in first and turn it to the control position, which would be like this. Can't find the hole. Turned that way. So now, damn it, see what I tell you? This guy loves to fall out. Let gravity help you. Alright, and now to turn the key back, you must first close the padlock shackle. There it is. Assembled and locked up, nice and tight. Still heavy as a brick, about the same size of a brick. Like barely even dropped that. They're very cool locks. So that's it. Just so you know. Oh, an operating key is the round bow, and it has a shoulder on the bottom that the control key does not have. See? And that's why the control key is able to pass that extra warding, whereas the operating key cannot. The warding blocks its travel counterclockwise. So if you have just a control key or just a operating key, I'll leave it up to your imagination how to solve that problem.